The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 has 4 different alphabet styles built into this machine. So I'm going to show you how you combine them into memory. Let's say you want to make a quote label, put a date on, put a name on. Even if you want to sew on paper, a card, you can add some stitches, decorative stitches, print your own message. It's really unlimited. Now, if you haven't already, do check out our links below this YouTube video where we talk about our Stitching Cosmos online course, where we do get into lots and lots of uses of decorative stitches, memory, and accessory feet. So let's just kind of experiment here. So if we are wanting to go into lettering, first go to the last button of your machine that has the ABC on it, okay? The first one you're going to get to is the row of stitches that start here at number 1, and those are your decorative stitches. So touch the button again, and we get to the different kinds of lettering. So in here, as soon as you pick a letter, so if I just pick A, it's going to show here, B and C. So I'm already putting in letters into the memory. So if you put one in and you're not wanting them, just push clear. And let's go ahead and spell out the word singer, for example. So use the arrows here to find the letter. So we'll find S. We'll arrow back to find I. I'm touching the button right below the letter and continue. And R. Perfect. Now, if I want to just keep sewing, it'll do singer, and after the R, it will start the S again. So if you just wanted to sew one time, touch the locking stitch. So that means it's going to stitch and lock at the end when it's done. It also calls for foot B. So foot B is a nice clear foot. It has a nice cutout underneath for when you have stitches that are a little bit thicker or more dense, like what we were doing earlier. And if you unplug the foot control, so if you notice over here, no foot control, you can use the start-stop button. It stops. And then you can go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. How fun is that? So if you want to cut away a few of those stitches that are connecting the letters, that's fine. Normally we don't, but in this case it makes sense to clip them, and they do look secure on this particular machine. So you can get in there, clip them on out. That's a nice looking lettering set. You've got uppercase, you've got lowercase, you've got punctuation. Play around with some of those options, and who knows, that next quilt label or greeting is going to look pretty sharp after it's sewn out on your new machine.